Welcome to the first video of 2024 for the grade 4s. This year, we are going to give you a video every week so that we can help you get smarter. Well, in this video, we're going to do a little bit of mental mathematics. I'm going to show you how to count using your fingers. So the first thing you want to do, put your fingers on your hands on the table. Put your hands on the table. So this will be your left hand and your right hand. Now, what's important is that you need to learn the number each finger represents. So if this is your left hand is going to represent this little finger here represents the number 1, and number 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Now on the right hand, the thumb is going to represent 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we know that when we count, we have our numbers, like we have our 0, and then we go all the way till 10, and we go all the way to 20, and we go all the way to 30, and then we go all the way to 40, and so forth, up till you get to 100, 200, doesn't matter. But we know we can count like that, right? So what's very important when you're counting with your fingers is that you need to keep track which tens you are in now. Okay, so let's say I count for the first time. I know I'm here, numbers bigger than 0, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but it's smaller than 10. When I start over, I'm gonna say 11. Now the numbers bigger than 10 will be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I'm going to the numbers bigger than 20, which is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'm at 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40, and so forth and so forth. So this is what you need to have mentally. Have these numbers, because all those numbers are going to help us do a lot of addition and subtraction. So let's have just 3 sums. Let's say I want to add, what is 43 plus, say, 12? 43 plus 12. Now, mentally, maybe it might be a bit tricky, but let's use our fingers for it. So I know that 43, the last number is 3. So I need to start at this finger. That represents 3. Now I know I'm at my 40s. So if I do start over, I'll be now going to the 50s, right? Makes sense. Now, what you want to do is just count the number of spaces you move, because 12 plus 12 means that I need to move 12 more spaces towards the bigger numbers. So we're going to go 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I moved 12 spaces and I know I'm done adding. Now look at this finger. This finger is the finger that represents number 5, right? So I know that my answer will have a 5 at the end. But I was at my 40s and I started over. Starting it over will mean that I'm at my 50s. So that must be 55. And that's how you count with your fingers. So if I do something like 88 plus, let's say 14, right? So that means that I need to go to the 88th finger. Where is that? This one. The number that has an 8 at the end is going to be my 88th finger. Now I need to move 14 spaces from here. So let's move together. From here, I'm going to move 1, 2. I'm starting over. So now I'm at 90s, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm starting over. 13, 14. So I'm at 102. See? I moved 14 spaces, but I look at my finger and my finger tells me that you passed the 90s and you went to 102. So I'm at my hundreds, but this finger right here tells me the last number must be 2. So 102. So So when we count like this, nothing will be difficult. So let's do a subtraction. Say you want to subtract 64 minus 11. So let's go to the 64th finger. Where is that? 64 will be here. Now that means that I need to work backwards to the small numbers, right? So let's go to the small numbers. So if this is 64, going back, I'll go to my 50s, the 10s that are smaller. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I started over once, so I'm no longer at my 60s, I'm at my 50s. And look at this finger. It's 3, so it's 53. That's your answer. 53. Keep practicing this. I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. You can make as many sums as you can. You can even have a 24 plus 8. You can have a 33 plus, let's say, 13. You can have a 14 plus 21. Add a big number, but you might want to start the other way around. Say 21 plus 14. That will be a lot easier. All right. So that's it. That's it for the video today. Right. So this year we are going to be posting weekly, and you want to get yourself a book whereby you'll be taking all your notes from your favorite tutor from the cloud. Math with Joy. You can get a 2-quire book. It has 192 pages, which should be enough. But if you want to practice a lot, you can get a 3-quire book. If you're grade 4, you don't have to worry about a calculator. No calculators are needed. You do everything up here. Get yourself headsets and get yourself color pens as well, so that you activate your mind. And don't forget to subscribe. If you want these t-shirts, you can place your orders and get your t-shirt. So basically on the description box, you're gonna have the numbers there. Let me write the numbers here. You want to talk to your parents about it, and then they're gonna contact 064 816 8330, and you can get these t-shirts so that you are branded with the Math with Joy, your tutor from the cloud. We are one team, one goal. This year we are going to get very, very good marks. Happy New Year, guys.